Dear friends, I would like to take this opportunity to inform our ad hoc school teachers and the SSA teachers of a historic and a landmark decision that the Cabinet has taken today. Based on this decision, there will be a structured pay for our teachers. There will also be a consolidated annual increment. We are also ensuring that the jobs of the SSA teachers especially is protected. We are also having options of a contributory provident fund option will also be there. And this particular restructuring has been done in consultation with all of you. But the important point is that this particular decision, which will be implemented on the 1st of April 2026, as promised by me, the decision will be made before Christmas this year. And that is why I'm happy to announce before Christmas that we have finalized the decision and approved the decision in the Cabinet today. And in the next 3 months, we will work with all of you to work out the mechanism on how we will implement this decision so that we are ready by the 1st of April to actually implement it and see the new structure in place. I once again take this opportunity to thank all of you for your cooperation, to thank all the officials, and also take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you very much.